So I'm outside today. I'm in a beautiful woodland with bluebells, a little breeze, the beech trees are coming into leaf, there's families wandering around, and it's glorious. And I'm just sitting here for a while, so I thought I'd record a video to share with you. And what comes to mind is a quote I came across the other day that went something along the lines of feet on the ground, eyes towards the skies, open heart and a quiet mind. And I wanted to share that here today because I'd love to know whether it's possible for you to get out in nature. I'm not talking about hiking or going on big power walks, but just doing what I'm doing, which is finding a little spot to sit and to have your feet on the ground or lie on the ground, to look up into the treetops, to notice what's going on around, to listen, tune in with your senses. There's a little light aircraft going on above at the moment. The birds, and just notice. Because what I find is that when I'm doing this, grounding my feet, looking upwards, that my heart opens and my mind naturally quietens down. And I know for so many of us that have gone through eating disorders or any stress that you're struggling with right now is that busy mind, that we get so caught up in our thinking and ruminating and mulling things over, and that it's exhausting. So what if you give nature a chance to support you? Could you find somewhere local to you? It could be a garden, it could be even looking at plants that you might have in the house, or going to an urban park somewhere, or if you can, find a woodland or a forest and take a cushion with you or some kind of mat to sit on, and to just be, and to look at the leaves or look at the beautiful, beautiful flowers that I've got here around me, and see what happens, see what you notice, and whether you feel different at the end of it. Because we know that nature works some kind of magic. We know that it helps to de-stress us. The scientists tell us that. So I'd love you to give yourself the opportunity of opening your heart and quietening your mind for a bit. I'd love to know what you get up to and what you find is helpful. I'll speak to you again soon. Bye for now.